Good evening and welcome to our presentation on the Engineering Academy at Creekside High School. My name is Kevin Davenport. I'm the Academy Department Chair at Creekside, and I have been the Engineering Academy teacher for 11 years. So coming up, this will be my 12th year at Creekside. So this screen here shows a few of the schools where some of our students have gone on to graduate from engineering programs in college, not just start the program, but actually go through and finish the program, including several of the military academies. This is a screen here showing some of the companies where our graduates are working, either as engineers or as CAD technicians. This is a presentation of that I think I'm most proud of. This is where some of our students are working straight from high school. So this is important because it shows that what they learn in the classroom can be can relate directly to getting a full-time job directly out of high school without as a part-time employee or as a full-time employee without college education. So starting in year one in our course progression is an honors course, Applied Engineering 1. We focus on the certification for AutoCAD. We also cover engineering process, engineering design, engineering careers, some math concepts, and we start our resume building progression. In year two, it is also an honors class, Applied Engineering 2. We move on to the Inventor 3D CAD modeling program, also SolidWorks, and then we also start our beginning of our MSSC Certified Production Technician course. In addition, the students will be certified in OSHA 10. In year three, an Applied Engineering 3 honors, we have Revit, we finish up SolidWorks, and we finish up our 4-test progression in MSSC CPT. We also continue working with Project Innovation, which is a innovation-based competition project. So a little bit more information on the MSSC Certified Production Technician. It is a certification that is an entry-level preparatory certification for students going to work in the manufacturing industry. It also covers a lot of the material that a student would be seeing in engineering school and college. So our goal here is to provide content and coursework that would help a student go directly to work, but would also help them if they go on to engineering school. So some of the highlights are for safety is one of the tests. We're training personnel to use equipment safely and use safe workplace practices. Our second test is manufacturing processes and production. It has a lot to do with communication about production and documentation of customer requirements and compliance. Our third test that we take is quality practices and measurements. We're looking at blueprint reading, measurement systems, and measurement tools. And our last test is called maintenance awareness, and in that we cover electrical systems, pneumatic systems, hydraulic systems, and automation systems. So in our fourth year, we have a capstone course called Advanced Applications. We're going back and revisiting some of our previous certifications, but at a professional higher level. There is also senior design projects, and those projects are of the students' choosing, and they will carry that project with them throughout the year. We'll also put the finishing touches on their resume prior to graduation. So one of the key aspects of our program is working on competition projects that are outside of the classroom. We have a model water tower competition that's sponsored through Society of American Military Engineers. And the American Water Works Association. Another component of our program is community service projects. So we do these through our engineering club. Our engineering club is open to all students of all ages. It's also open to students who are outside of the academy. One of the key projects that we work on is building handicapped accessibility ramps for low-income residents of St. Johns County through an association with St. Johns Housing Partnership. So this is some more pictures of a ramp building project. You can see that we have students wearing their safety gear and also learning how to use electrical and pneumatic tools. This is just some more pictures of that. And this is a final completed ramp. This, I think, was our biggest project that we did. It was over 90 feet long. In addition to our engineering club, we also sponsor a chapter of Society of Women Engineers. This is a picture from one of our meetings from last year. These are some of the guest speakers that we had representing some of the companies. The Society of Women Engineers hosts guest speakers each month where female engineers come in and talk to our members about their career and education. I also sponsor the National Technical Honor Society. This is open to juniors and seniors. It is an application-based organization. Certain GPA requirements and service requirements are necessary. We have a weekly mentoring program called ACE Mentoring. Up here in the upper right, this is some of the companies that come in and mentor our students. This is a final presentation picture from a couple of years ago. So ACE Mentoring, ACE stands for Architecture, Construction, and Engineering. ACE Mentoring is a national organization that promotes student learning and retention in the architecture, construction, and engineering fields. So rising seniors, can apply to fill internship positions during the summer between their junior and senior year. So this is a list of some of the companies that have partnered with us in the past, and we're always looking for more partnerships and more opportunities for students. This is a picture of one of our graduates, past graduates, Laura, working for Ultratech in their lab. So if you want more information, please go to our school's website under Academies, look on engineering track, and there's some more information in there. So I'm going to try to share a little video with you if I can get to it. Technical difficulties, hang on. A video of our classroom tour. So this is the front end of the classroom. We have a couple of large screen monitors that we use for presentation in the classroom. We can see our classroom is set up in these 6 computer pods. Each computer workstation has a dual monitor, which is standard for the engineering industry. So as we head back towards the back of the classroom, we're going to go by our 3D printer workstation. So we have 3 3D printers in the classroom, 2 small ones and 1 larger one. Our students use those for project innovation projects and personal projects, as well as club projects, competition projects. We have a CNC milling machine that we can use to cut metal. We don't use that as part of our regular classroom curriculum, but it can support projects. This is the back of our classroom. We have a lab space and several workstations. Pardon the mess, we're in the middle of things. We have multiple workbenches and workstations for students to complete projects. So I hope you enjoyed that presentation and that little classroom tour. Please feel free to reach out to me via email. I look forward to meeting you on our live Zoom conference and also answering any questions that you and the students may have. Thank you very much.